This is Carl of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my stone cold lock of the century. Or the week. Raiders owner / professional Nosferatu impersonator Al Davis finally agreed to die in 2011, but only after the Grim Reaper offered him an additional second-round draft pick. And then he passed the franchise on to his son Mark. Kind of like how my ma passed the male pattern baldness on to me. Thanks a lot, Ma! Now Oakland's under the complete control of someone who looks like Malachi from Children of the Corn. Only he got lost in the corn for about 50 years. He's like an elderly in the corn. The Stephen King movie. You've probably seen it. Anyways, working for the Raiders is the only job Mark Davis ever had. Apparently the only place where he gets his clothes, too. Because every time I see the dude, he's slathered in Raiders gear. Even his fanny pack has got that eye patch logo on it, which is weird. Because most Raiders fans only wear a fanny pack if they took it from some dude they beat up for wearing a fanny pack. Now I get it, Mark Davis. You want to win a Super Bowl. And that's why you wear that stupid chili bowl haircut of yours. Mark, you're the owner of the Raiders, not some stunt double for Dumb and Dumber 2. You got your work cut out for you this week, because the Broncos are coming to town with their own favorite football son, Peyton Manning. And unfortunately for you, Manning inherited one thing you didn't: a good team. The Denver Broncos are Carl's stone cold lock of the century.